Hello everyone, it's Star Knight here from jammalidays and welcome back to another video. So today's video, jammalidays are here. Jammalidays are here again. Sorry. So I just logged on and I got my promo gift, which is the 1 diamond. Okay, Animal Jam, you can... Animal Jam! So anyway, jammalidays are here and it's finally December, which means Christmas, which means presents and families getting together, and Animal Jam jammalidays, which is one of my favorite days. And so I'm Star Knight, and I got candy cane socks today, and the diamond. So I already got 2. So jammalidays. Oh, and pet reindeers are normally here, as I said in my last video, I'm pretty sure. They haven't done an update, which I thought was really strange. So they normally do an update every time, but they haven't done one this year. So we're just gonna scope over what you guys think of jammalidays, because I haven't posted in a while, so I was just wondering. Or I posted I forget the last time I posted. Oh, but I want to see if there's any new Christmas items I can buy. Oh, jammaliday earmuffs. Sorry, bye-bye. So we're going to, here's Galaxy. She finally added me. Doesn't she look cute? Here's her links. Anyway, moving on to the proper thing. So I will be a non-member for a little while. Don't worry, as Christmas season comes into more full swing, we will be getting to do stuff. I don't have a lot of stuff, but I did bring my favorite stuff over, like my We can't really, I'll just turn on the music. There we go. I love the jammaliday music. It's so peaceful, even though it's really loud. Whee! Okay. So let's see if there's any new den items we can buy. So this is just an update, because that's what we got today and yesterday. Now, what was really funny is, in America and in other countries on the other side of the world, they're 1 day behind my country. Australia, their country is like, my country, it's like a day before your country for America and that, because a lot of people from America watch my videos. And like some of Australia, but don't you just love this little candy tabletop? I love it so much. It's so cool. But anyway, so when I logged on, the first day of December, which was actually the time we were supposed to get the gifts went up there, because it was still the 30th of November for America, instead of it being the 1st for my country. So that was a bit confusion, which I had to wait until the 2nd of December to get my stuff. But I'm just taking a look at the flags. Most of these flags. What's my favorite country? Egypt. I love Egypt. Let's get an Egyptian flag. I love Egypt. Egypt's like my favorite thing, because of all the pharaohs and stuff. I like that about them. About the pharaohs, and I'm into Egyptian history. So today I'm going to be showing you, and I don't know if I showed this in my last video, how to get these 2 trophies. Because my friend sent me these ones, not sent me, traded me through for a necklace. But we're gonna go to the Chamber of Knowledge. I want to see if I can get anything. No, I cannot. But anyway, so we're gonna run on down to the Chamber of Knowledge. I know it could have been easier, but I'm just gonna show you, because I haven't earned the trophies just yet. So I'm gonna have double trophies, and I'm gonna put them on my trade. list and see what we get trades for, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Wow, it's already 5 minutes. I talk too much. So what we do is you go into new. So we go into these two just here. So foxes, which we say in Australia. We have foxes in Australia. We have foxes in Australia too. See, we get them down there, but we get these guys. So we're just gonna skip through this. So you can always retry if you get something wrong. Then they're not gonna like say, oh, you can't get it now because you got something wrong, but you can retry. And the Lynx trophy is still out too if you want to get that one. So what it is so it's so this one, the first question, it's male. Then here is Arctic fox skull 5, I think. No, yeah, 5. And all of these. Oh, it's so let's try again. So it's male, Arctic fox skull, all of these, and 10. I think it's 10. So it says, good job, you're an expert. So if you answer all of these questions that are highlighted right now, you have this gift will be open. You can get an Arctic fox trophy. So that is how you get that gift. And then the Lynx gift is basically technically the same. You just go to the back of the Lynx, but you can read it if you want to do it yourself. I'm just gonna do the answers for you. We don't have lynxes in Australia. But we had dingoes. Dingoes are pretty cool too. Oh my gosh, lynx are adorable. I used to have one on PJ, but I still do, but PJ is not in use at the moment. There are 4, I think, northern forests, hares, and ears. So I think it's this. So if you answer all these questions, you will get the Lynx trophy. Which is quite cute too. I've got double of the Lynx trophy. So I'm going to quickly put these on trade and see what I get. I got enough tail armor because they're gone now. So we're just going to go to Jamal. I didn't want to go here. Jammalidays. Who doesn't love jammalidays? It should be jammalidays. I'm in a deserted world. Answer to Alden. Everyone knows that. Okay, so we're at Alden, and we're gonna dance and say trade. Subscribe. Trade. Me. Oh, here we go. Right. It's hard to be a non-member, to be honest, because I'm used to being a member, so. So we're just going to look on non-member lists and see what they've got. The diamond minecart. Cute. Dan the diamond minecart. That's a guy on YouTube, by the way. So we're gonna look at non-member trade lists because sometimes non-members really surprise you with what they have. So we're just gonna have a look and have another look-see through non-member trade lists. How are you wearing that? That is member. So we're just looking at people's trades and having a look, see what we may trade them for. I just didn't turn down the volume. So we're gonna trade these people before the episode ends. We only got like 5 minutes left of the episode. So we're gonna, oh, I already looked at this person. This guy. New, okay. We're gonna do this person. Hello. Anything on trade, dude? I don't have an underwater den. Sorry, man. I would trade you though. Sometimes non-members come in. I don't want socks. I've got them. Thank you. Maybe a pirate sword. I might trade for a pirate sword. And I'll trade 2 of these. Trophy. Okay. Never mind. Pirate swords are pretty cool. We're gonna try again though. Just things we don't need a bunch of stuff. Come here. Come back, person. I need one of these. I forgot to buy one. So you are lucky you get to have this stuff. So we're gonna trade one more item from this girl. A bunny statue. I know this seems kind of weird, but I want some. Move, girl. I can't click on you, fuzzy puppy. Melon. Okay, this girl, come here. I want to talk to you. Can we trade? I want to trade you. Have socks? No, I don't want socks. I don't care. No, no. We're gonna try one more time before we go. Yes, the green lollipop. No. Okay, moving on. Let's quickly go with one more person before the ends. Okay, person. Say like them. If you want something from the list. No, sorry. I don't need it. We're gonna trade for these mecha wings with the artifact trophy. Awesome. You have nothing on the trade with. This dude. Oh my gosh. I want that. Trade me, dude. Fingers crossed. Dude, make up your mind. I didn't mean make it up like that. Okay, we're gonna trade for this one. This moves go. Why? That's so fair. Guys, leave a comment down below if you thought that was fair. Well, anyway, I must be going now. But I am Star. See you later, and I'll be back with an update later for Christmas. Bye, guys.